What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you might be able to see, I already have the majority of my face done. My brows are completely bare right now, and that is because I've got a brand new product that I'm going to try it that I'm sure some of you will be very familiar with. It is the brand new Benefit. I think it's called the Brow Contour Pro. Brow Contour Pro. They recently sent this to me in PR, and I have been dying to try it out ever since I saw, well, pretty much everyone talking about it on social media. And the reason I'm so excited to try this, if you haven't seen it, is because, wait, oh god, I've just completely ruined the packaging there, is because it's like one of those super old school pens, you know, the ones that like have the different pens inside and then you can like choose different colors. Love that. So I'm just really excited to try this purely because of the fact that it looks fun. Let me just read a load of information on the back of this box. So it comes with 4 different shades in the actual pen. It says that it's £26.50, so not the cheapest thing in the world, but I guess you do kind of get 4 products in one. We'll see if it's worth the money. And it comes in 5 different shades. You've got blonde light, brown black deep, brown light, brown black light, and brown medium. So it says it's 24-hour long wearing, it says it's waterproof, and it's out now. So let's give this guy a go and let's sort these brows out. So what Benefit also sent in this box was the brow blender. So this, oh god, I'm like dropping everything everywhere. This is just like a spoolie on one end, then it's got this kind of like, oh, I've just full on made it really dirty then. It's got this kind of like spongy applicator on the other side. So I'm just going to quickly brush through my brows with that, like so. Not got anything in my brows at all, no brow gel, nothing. Already lost the product within like 2 seconds of having it. So in this pen, like I said, you get 4 different shades. So what you have is 2 different brow colors. So I have the deeper shade and I have the lighter shade. And then we also have a definer and a highlighter. Let me just try them out. So the definer is just kind of like a concealer shade. And then the highlighter, it's going to be like shimmery or something. So you twist it just to get the nib up. The highlighter looks very similar to the definer, just a little bit lighter. But okay, I was expecting that to be like a little bit shimmery, but that's fine. That's fine. I guess you can kind of like highlight your brow bone. So I think I'm going to start off with the lighter shade. Let's just do a few little swatches so you guys can see the colors. That looks like a good color. And then the deeper shade. Ooh, that's very dark, but that's good. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to go in with the lighter shades. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Oh, got a little lash. Got a lash on my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush my brows down, just so I can see where I need to fill them in. And I'm going to do some hair-like strokes. Ooh, that gives very good hair-like strokes, actually. If you kind of use it on the side, then that works really well. And I'm also going to square off the front of my brow and fill in a few hairs there. Nice. Easy peasy so far. Why are my brow hairs so long? Like, look, if I brush them down, I can literally, like, they pretty much get, like, tangled in my lashes. Like, what is wrong with me? So now I'm just going to brush that up. Good. Then I'm going to take the deeper shades, twisty, twisty, and I'm going to go back over my arch. And I don't really want my brows to be too deep at the front because then they just start to look a little bit blocky. So I think I'm going to mostly focus this kind of like the middle to the tail end of the brow. It's a good colour. I'm just going to line the underneath my brow a little bit more. Okay, that looks pretty good. So then I'm going to take the definer shade. Oh, snap back. It's snap back. There we go. And I guess I'm just going to carve my brows out with that. I haven't carved my brows out in the longest time, but I used to love doing it. Like, I kind of don't remember why I stopped carving out my brows. It's a good colour for me. I'm going to go underneath the front of my brow as well to kind of like neaten that up, like that. And then I guess, oh, that looks good. And then I guess I'll just like take the lighter shades and like put that on my brow bone a little bit. Kind of looks the same as the other definer, but okay. I don't really see the difference there in all honesty. Oh, I can use my little blendy sponge thing. Oh, that works really well. I mean, yeah, it might be just a little sponge, but that works very well. Blend that out. I feel like I need to kind of lift the tail of my brow a little bit there. Maybe I can like blend that out. Ooh, that looks good. Just gonna blend that up. Oh, this works really well for like blending out the actual brow pencil. This is a good brow day right now. It's not too dark at the front. Good color. Love the little definer. Makes me kind of want to carve my brows out even more now. This looks really good. Like to go from that to that, like, I know which one I prefer. Let's do that again. I'm just going to do the same on this side and fill in using the lighter shade first. I'm just like mapping out my brows with the lighter one. Okay, then I'm going to take the darker one and fill in my arch a little bit more. And take the definer and then just like carve that out. I haven't really even like mentioned the actual product itself, but it's very, very creamy. Do a little bit of carving out of the front as well. And then pop that on my brow bone. Don't really understand the whole highlighter because it's only ever so slightly lighter than the definer. So like that's not really something I'm not really fussed about that one. The other three I really like. But yeah, the lighter one I'm just like, doesn't really look that much different to the definer. Then take the, don't know where I put it. Then gonna take my little friend, my little spongy friend, and just blend out that definer. The stuff blends out really, really well. It's like not too much. Normally when I carve my brows out with concealer, like it's a lot and they look very, very obvious. But this just kind of, I don't know, just kind of neatens them up a little bit. And then just buff that underneath the front of my brow. And then just kind of run that through the brow itself. Love that. That was actually very, very easy considering the fact I just did like 4 steps of my brows. Normally I would just like run a pencil through them. But this was quick. This was easy. My eyebrows look sick, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I'm actually very, very impressed with this. Wasn't really sure if it was going to be just like a gimmick that I was going to like for like an Instagram video or something. But I actually think I'll use this quite often because it's very easy. And obviously it's like, it's quite compact considering you've got 4 different products there. Yeah, I really like this. The only thing I'm not keen on, like I said, is the highlighter shade because it doesn't really seem that much different to me. Maybe it seems different in like the other colors that you can get, but I'm just going to use that as like another definer, so that's not really much of an issue. But yeah, I like that. My brows look good. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think you'll be trying out the Brow Contour Pro? Do you think it's just a gimmick? Do you think it actually seems decent? I know this video is maybe a little bit shorter than my other videos, but don't worry, I have a ton of first impressions coming up, including what is on my face right now, so stay tuned for that. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do by now. Please do give it a big thumbs up because that really does help me out a lot. And also subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. And if you fancy it as well, why not follow me over on Instagram and Twitter? But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.